Thank you for joining us on the RTO Superhero Podcast. Elevate your organization's potential by becoming a part of our superhero membership community. Gain exclusive access to resources, training, and support, all tailored for RTO professionals. Visit our website to join and start your journey towards compliance excellence today.
Welcome back, superheroes. I'm Angela Connell-Richards, your host here at the RTO Superhero Podcast. And if you've been tuning in lately, you already know we're deep in the countdown to 1 July 2025, the day the new standards for RTOs officially come into force. And today, we're not holding back. This episode is all about the top 5 mistakes RTOs are still making. You may have read my ebook on the top 5 mistakes RTOs make. Well, I might need to do a new one. Even with just weeks to go. And I'll be honest, these aren't small slip-ups. These are the kinds of issues that will land you in trouble at audit. Slow down your operations and hurt your learners. The good news, every single one of these mistakes is fixable. So whether you're an RTO owner, compliance officer, or trainer trying to keep up with the changes, this episode is your checklist for getting audit ready before 1 July. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, treating policy updates as a one-off task. All right, let's start with this big one. We've updated our policies. We're compliant now, right? This is the number 1 myth doing the rounds in RTO land. Here's the truth. Updating your documents is only one step. If your team hasn't read the new versions, had training on the changes, embedded them into their daily practice, then your shiny new policies are just PDFs sitting in a folder. And trust me, ASQA knows the difference between implementation and surface level compliance. What to do instead? Conduct a policy walkthrough with each department. Use scenario-based team discussions to test understanding. Document your internal rollout process. Yes, even if it's just a staff meeting and email summary. Remember, it's not about having the documents. It's about living and breathing those documents. Mistake number 2, ignoring scope alignment with TAS gaps. Next mistake, and this one catches people by surprise. I'm seeing a lot of RTOs update their training and assessment strategies without actually mapping them to the new outcome standards. What do I mean by that? Well, your TAS might still reference outdated units, include delivery modes you are no longer supporting, miss key details required for the new standards, like learner support strategies or industry consultation logs. Worse still, some RTOs are promoting qualifications not yet approved on their scope of registration. That's a fast track to an audit, or worse, an enforced scope withdrawal. What to do instead? Review every TAS against your current training.gov.au scope. Cross-check assessment methods, delivery locations, and trainer qualifications. Make sure you're capturing learner support, RPL pathways, and resources clearly. If you're using our TAS audit tool, now's the time to revisit it. Mistake number 3, marketing without compliance checks. This one is sneaky and it's landed many RTOs in hot water. We just posted a course flyer on Instagram. Should that be fine? Right? Yeah, maybe not. Your marketing and your advertising must be accurate, include your RTO code, avoid misleading outcomes. For example, 100% job guarantee is a no-no. Properly using the NIT logo, clearly stating any funding eligibility or co-contributions. Even one social media post or web page out of line can trigger a complaint, and ASQA does not respond to this very well. What to do instead? Run a final marketing audit using our free checklist. Check your website, brochures, social channels, and ad copy. Brief your marketing team on what's allowed and what's not under Standard 2.2. Marketing is no longer just about sales, it's compliance visibility. Mistake number 4, underestimating self-assurance. Okay, this one is a mindset issue more than anything. So many RTOs are still viewing compliance as a one-time task. They think once the July deadline passes, it's business as usual. But here's the thing. Self-assurance is now embedded within the standards. That means you must regularly review your systems, use evidence to drive improvement, actively engage your team in continuous compliance. And if ASQA audits you in 2026 or 2027, they will want to see historical evidence that you've been doing this since 1 July. What to do instead? Set a monthly compliance review cycle now. We call ours the monthly Q&C meeting or compliance, quality and compliance meeting. Start a self-assurance register or dashboard. Record actions taken from complaints, feedback validations, and PD. Need help? Grab our self-assurance data guide. It's free and it'll get you helping you move quicker. Mistake number 5, forgetting about trainer and assessor credentials. Last but definitely not least is your trainer's files. A lot of RTOs have focused heavily on policies and marketing, but completely missed the shift in credential expectations under the new credential policy. That includes documented mapping of trainer qualifications to each unit of competency, evidence of current industry currency, ongoing PD tracking. This is the major change that has happened now. And for CRICOS or specialist areas, evidence of cultural competence and learner cohort training. If your trainer files haven't been reviewed since 2023 or early 2024, or even further back, you're likely out of date. What to do instead? Conduct a credential audit this month. Use a credentialized spreadsheet or compliance tracker. Train your team on the new credential policy and how to self-record PD. This one is a non-negotiable and you'll thank yourself later. Recap on the 5 mistakes to fix before 1 July. Let's do a recap. You still have time to fix it. Number 1, thinking policies equal compliance. Number 2, delivering or promoting quals outside your scope. 3, using non-compliant marketing. 4, failing to embed self-assurance. 5, neglecting trainer credentials. Fix these now. And you're going to be miles ahead of the RTOs who scramble in July, or worse, wait for an audit. Bonus tool, get the free pre-July audit health check. To help you get sorted, I've created a brand new tool, the 30-day compliance health check. It's designed to help you with a quick implementation. Just 20 to 30 minutes per area. Perfect for internal use or a team meeting. You can download it from vivacity.com.au or grab it in the show notes. You've got this. The new standards aren't just a deadline. They're an opportunity to clean out your house, build culture, and create an RTO that you're proud of. Next week, we're diving into why waiting for an audit is no longer a strategy and what proactive RTOs are doing now to stay in control. Until then, stay compliant, stay confident, and remember, you're not alone in this. Vivacity is here to help. Talk soon.
Thank you for listening to the RTO Superhero Podcast. Ready to transform your compliance process? Discover Comply Hub, Vivacity's AI-powered compliance management system, designed to streamline your operations and give you peace of mind. Visit our website to learn more and schedule your demo today.